Gus. Today I'll show you how to write with mechanical pencil. These are my favorite mechanical pencil. This is Pentel Graph Gear 1000 and this is Uni Alpha Gel Slim. There are two types. One is kind of fat, but this one is slim. My favorite mechanical pencil. It's just the two different colors. First of all, when I write, I grind one side like that. The reason I do this is because if you look at this closely, I get like the sharp edges, so I can express thick lines and thin lines, which is shade and hairlines. Okay, let me show you how to do it. All right. First of all, I'm gonna write So you can express those thick lines and those thin lines, and I will write 안녕하세요, which is hello in Korean. By the way, this is cursive style. Yeah, so you can express such thick lines and thin line, like this is sharp lines too. So make sure you don't move your angle, because if you use your angle, then so what you do is you use your other hand, left hand or right hand if you're lefty. Okay, so grind again and start writing. I'm gonna write one more cursive and then I'll stop the video. I'm gonna write today is well, just became Thursday in Korea. This is right now is 3:58 a.m. If you can hear my baby, I'm taking care of my baby at night. So you can express, you can write like a brush type, you know? So sort of like here, or thin line, like sharp line, or like that. So thank you very much for watching the video. And I just uploaded how to write cursive letter like inside shapes. In Korean, there are some kind of shapes. It's really that helps you write better Korean. Thank you very much, and I'll see you with a new video. Bye bye.